Hi guys! We have a special series. I'm gonna call it Trader Joe's Favorites, one of our favorite stores. You know Trader Joe's. I trust them. I love their store. And I chose this one. Trader Ming's Kung Pao Chicken. This is really good. And it's almost like restaurant quality when it comes to flavor and how it's presented. And what I like about this is there are times when I'm so busy and we've got nothing to eat and I have to cook something. And I always cook my food from scratch, and I'm always very particular with the health benefits. But this one is amazing. The chicken is amazing how Trader Joe's prepared this one. And when we're pressed with time, we're in a hurry, and you want to prepare something quick and easy, I recommend this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna elevate the dish and make it look, we made it from scratch and we made it ourselves. Alright, I'll show you how, and let's get started. First, let's air fry the chicken. The packaging includes frozen bell peppers, onion, dried chili, and watered chestnut, 2 packets of sauce, and some peanuts. Then the dark meat, chunks of the chicken, is coated with cornstarch, eggs, chili powder, salt, pepper, garlic, ginger, and green onions. Air fry at 370 degrees for about 8 minutes total. If you do not have an air fryer, you may use a pan. On medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Saute the onion and the zucchini for about a minute. Add a little bit of sauce from the packet. And stir fry for about 1 minute. Let's add a bell pepper. Add a little bit of salt and stir fry for another minute. Now let's add the frozen vegetables, the peanuts, and extra peanuts. You may put more if you like. Then stir fry for another minute. Now let's add the chicken. Mix well. Then add the remaining sauce. I only put 1.5 packets of the sauce. To me, it tastes too spicy. You may add a full packet if you like. If you want more sauce, you may make your own sauce, and the full recipe is in the description. You may adjust the sauce to your liking. This is done. Yay! Alright! Look what we have! This oval platter I inherited from our late Grandma Jean, and it's just so beautiful. I think this is a vintage Chinese collectible, and I couldn't find it on the internet, but it's just so beautiful, and it's perfect with this Kung Pao Chicken from Trader Joe's. Look how beautiful what we made. It's nice. Can you tell that, it's from Trader Joe's? It's gorgeous. Okay, I have a plate of rice, a small plate, and we're gonna try it with rice. Of course, right? Rice is life, right? Love it. Right. One more bite. So good. Okay, now, if you want to check out another favorite from Trader Joe's, here it is. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Take care and God bless. Bye! Paalam!